What started as a routine speeding stop quickly spiraled into one of the most chaotic traffic arrests officers would face that day. The incident began during rush hour traffic when a deputy clocked a vehicle traveling 87 miles per hour in a posted 45-mile-per-hour zone, nearly double the speed limit.
87 miles per hour in a 45, that's the reason for the stop. I'm sorry?
I didn't realize this.
How do you not realize you're doing almost 90 miles an hour? You have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I was going this. You asked me a question. I was going the same speed as the car in front of me.
No, you are not. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I do, but you asked me a question.
Okay, go ahead and step out for me then. How about that? Go ahead and open your door and step out for me.
No, I'm not going to do that. You asked me for my license.
And I'm telling you to step out of the vehicle.
Sir, you asked me for my license.
I'm giving you a lawful order to exit the vehicle. You can exit the vehicle, you can go to jail in handcuffs. It's up to you. This can be a ticket or it can be jail. It's up to you. You have two choices right now. You can open the door and you can exit the vehicle with me and we conduct business back by my car.
So can I ask you a question?
160.
Can I ask you
No, I'm not the one answering questions here. Start me another unit, please.
Can I ask you a question?
I need you to exit the vehicle, ma'am. I'm asking you to exit the vehicle.
Are we going to do this at the red light?
Yes, we are. I have lights on behind you. I'm asking you to exit the vehicle. This is my last request before you go to jail.
Can I ask the reason?
Because I'm giving you a lawful order to exit the vehicle.
But that's not a reason.
I've asked you to exit the vehicle so we can conduct business by my vehicle.
That's an order?
That is an order.
For what's the reason?
I do not need a reason.
You don't need a reason for the
No, ma'am.
order?
Case law says I do not need a reason to ask you to exit the vehicle. I'm giving you a command to exit the vehicle. You're fixing to go to jail. Step back here by the front of my car. Step back here by the front of my car. Now explain.
What the question you asked me for?
Explain to me why you're doing 87 miles per hour in a 45-mile-an-hour zone. Okay, do you have your license and registration?
I could have had it when you asked me for it.
Yep, I asked you to exit the vehicle, so now I just want your license then. If you don't have your registration, because it's in the vehicle.
There you go.
You are about to go to jail.
Because you want to.
Though. No, because of reckless driving and because of refusing to exit the vehicle.
But sir, I was going to answer your question.
No.
And you literally stopped me.
Do you know what reckless driving in the state of Florida is?
Go ahead and continue to cut me off after every sentence. Go ahead and do that.
Initiating a traffic stop, the deputy approached the driver and immediately asked the obvious question. Is there a reason you're driving 87 in a 45? The driver apologized but claimed she didn't realize how fast she was going. The deputy then requested her driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance. Instead of handing over the documents, the driver wanted to explain herself first. As the conversation became increasingly argumentative, the deputy gave her a lawful order to step out of the vehicle. She refused. The deputy warned her several times that refusing to exit could result in jail instead of simply receiving a citation. Despite multiple opportunities to comply, she continued questioning the order instead of following it. The deputy explained that under established case law, officers may lawfully order a driver out of a vehicle during a traffic stop. Only after repeated commands did she finally step outside.
Do that.
Place your hands behind your back.
For what?
Place your hands. You're going to jail for reckless driving and refusing a lawful order to exit the vehicle. And I asked you.
I literally
Stop resisting.
exited the vehicle.
Stop resisting.
You asked me to exit the vehicle.
Stop resisting.
I'm not. Oh my God! You literally. Are you fucking kidding me? What are you doing this for?
Step it up. She's resisting.
Resisting what? What are you talking about, sir?
Stop resisting.
I'm not
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Are you mad you're not, like... What are you doing this for? Does anyone see this?
Put your hand behind your back.
What is going on right now? Are you kidding me? Can someone fucking stop this guy? Are you kidding me right now?
Stop.
Stop what?
Put your hands behind your back.
I did nothing to you.
Stop resisting.
Resisting for what, though? You asked a question.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
You're really ridiculous right now.
You're about to get pepper sprayed.
Pepper sprayed.
Put your hand behind your back. Stop. Stop.
Yes, I fucking do.
Put your hand behind your back.
You have no right to do this to me, sir.
Put your hand behind your back.
For what?
I'm giving you an order.
He gave me an order for what? He has no right to do this to me. He's on a power trip right now, bro. Are you kidding me? What did I do to you, bro?
Stop.
Are you fucking kidding me, bro? I did nothing to you.
Stop.
I did nothing to you. You're scaring me, sir. I have no fucking... I literally did nothing. You know what?
You're doing something now.
Now I am. Now I am because there's a cop that has a right
Thank you.
to arrest anybody he feels like. So at this point,
Stop.
you don't have to throw me on the fucking car. I'm right here. I'm right
Lean
here.
on my hood.
I'm right here. I'm not leaning on shit, bro. I'm right here. You don't have to lean me on anything.
Lean on the hood.
I don't have to lean on anything. I'm a fucking female. I'm gonna have a fucking dick on my ass. I'm right here. I'm right here.
Stop.
You don't have to lean me on anything. I'm standing up. I'm standing
Stop.
up. Sir.
I'm asking you to lean on the hood.
I don't have to lean on.
Lean on the hood.
I'm right here. I'm standing right here.
Stop. Stop.
I'm standing up, sir.
Turn around. All right.
I'm literally standing up.
Stop yelling.
Stop yelling.
Stop. You gotta catch my breath for one.
Stop hurting me and I won't have to fucking keep yelling.
You're still resisting.
Resisting
You are
what?
resisting.
Resisting
Stop
what?
pulling back.
Oh my god.
Stop until you can calm down and be searched. And sit down in my car. You're gonna wait here.
What are you talking about?
Stop.
What the fuck, bro? You're hurting me.
Because you can't.
You're hurting me.
You're good. You're good.
Fucking hurting me, bro.
You good? Stop. Other side.
Walk.
Now you don't want to leave me
Other
in
side.
the car.
Put your foot in now.
She probably is signal one. She fighting like she was. Dude, it took, you see them other dudes that was there? It was me and two of them grown men trying to fucking subdue her.
She been hitting some buzz balls.
Tell her shit. All right, so you're going to jail today. But you made that choice.
Can somebody come pick up my car because they?
Oh heck no. We towing that. Heck no. You ain't fighting the police and getting your car back. No. Nah.
Okay.
Ain't a chance.
You don't even gotta explain anything.
Oh, I don't have to. You're right.
No, because you're not going to.
You're absolutely correct. I'm gonna explain to you why you're going to jail though. It's called BAT LEO. That's a felony. Resist with violence.
What are you resisting? You didn't literally explain
And reckless driving.
to me. I guarantee you, my lawyer's gonna get you.
That's what
What's
they
your
all
badge
say.
number?
That's what they all
What's your
say.
badge number?
It'll be on your arrest report.
What's your badge number? Oh, right.
It'll be on your arrest
You
report.
can still hear me. What is that little
I'm gonna get her out of
glass
here.
doing to you? Nothing.
I'm gonna get her out of here. Tow it and everything in it. Thank you.
Tow it and everything in it.
Yep.
Yeah, I hope you got everything I got, because I swear I know everything that's in there. So go ahead. Pray about your wife, okay? God forbid you have kids. Pray for them guys as well.
Are you threatening
They don't got nothing.
So are you making threats to my family now?
You can turn up the radio.
But by then, the deputy had already decided the situation had escalated beyond a simple speeding violation. He informed her she was being placed under arrest for reckless driving and for refusing to obey a lawful order. The moment he attempted to handcuff her, everything changed. The woman immediately began pulling away, questioning every command, yelling that she had done nothing wrong, and demanding to know why she was being arrested. Officers repeatedly instructed her to stop resisting and place her hands behind her back. Instead, she continued twisting away, arguing, and refusing to cooperate. Within seconds, the struggle intensified. Additional deputies rushed in to assist as officers worked together to gain control of the situation. Even after several officers arrived, she continued fighting, screaming, and refusing to follow commands. Eventually, deputies were able to secure her in handcuffs and place her inside the patrol vehicle. But the confrontation didn't end there. From the back seat, she continued arguing with deputies, insisting they had arrested her simply because their egos were hurt. She claimed she should have received nothing more than a speeding ticket and repeatedly insisted that officers never allowed her to explain why she had been driving so fast. Deputies disagreed. They explained that the arrest wasn't simply about speeding anymore. According to the officers, the charges had expanded because she resisted arrest and became physically combative during the encounter. As emotions continued running high, the woman criticized the officers, questioned their motives, insulted their appearance, and repeatedly claimed that God would ultimately judge them for their actions. Despite the ongoing verbal confrontation, deputies remained focused on transporting her safely to jail. By the end of the incident, the original speeding stop had turned into multiple criminal charges.
Just like you had it, huh?
No, I mean, are you threatening my family now? Because that's another charge if you want it.
You can't hear me though.
It's yours if you want it.
Turn it up.
All right.
Turn it up.
Say so.
You fucking with me? You fucking with my family, right? Just how your life isn't just your life, right? It's your wife and your kids, right? You think you're the only one who got a family? Come on now. Oh, now you want to get sensitive about your family. You didn't give a fuck about mine, right? Oh, okay, exactly. So I don't give a fuck. Go ahead. Turn that shit up, too. You better keep the static on, because if you don't, I'm going to keep talking, too.
Oh, keep talking. You're good.
Yeah, turn it off.
Talk all you want.
Better yet, turn it off.
Yeah, talk all you want.
Because I'm a child of God.
I think it's amazing
I'm a
you
child
sit back
of
here
God.
preaching after you get done
And the way
fighting the
you
police.
acted as soon as you approached my vehicle was not how Jesus acted with the children that he created. Correct?
Keep
Who
going.
are you? You're a child of God, right? You're a creation of this world? And who does this world belong to?
I think you're hilarious.
You work for the devil, but God created you.
I think you're hilarious.
And you know who else thought Jesus was hilarious? The same people that arrested him and had him crucified. So go ahead and find me hilarious,
Well,
and I
you're
hope
not
you
Jesus,
laugh.
so...
And I hope you laugh, and I hope you get me arrested, and I hope you get everything you want today, and I hope that check is fat.
It is.
I hope it's fat, and I
It
hope
is.
you get to feed your children and your wife.
It's called being a responsible adult. You're right.
Being a responsible adult? What is that?
Yeah.
Arresting somebody for what? Because
Fighting
your
the
ego is
police.
hurt? Come
Fighting
on
the
now.
police. That's what you're
You
under.
couldn't even hold down a fucking female. You couldn't even hold me down to the ground. Come on now. Put me one-on-one with you. Come on now. Get out of here. Call your backup because you're hurt so bad. Call your backup. And hold your face because you're scratched a little. Come on now. God knows he knows you didn't even have me speak to tell you a reason and to explain myself as to what it was. Right or wrong. Come on now, right or fucking wrong.
Wrong.
You didn't run any of my information to know who I was.
Don't need to.
Exactly. Why? Because you were hurt. I was going 20 above. I was wrong. Give me a ticket.
No, you weren't
Give
doing
me
20
1,000
above.
to pay. I'll pay it right now. I
You were
don't
doing
care.
42 above.
Okay, going 42 above. You
That's
weren't
not
even
cool.
going to arrest me for that, though. You were questioning me.
Oh, no, I
If you
was
weren't going to
arrested.
arrest me from the jump, you could have done that.
Oh, that's
But
why
you started questioning me.
vehicle.
You started questioning me. And you know why you're talking back? Because you know you're not right 100%.
Oh, I'm
Come on now.
100,000%.
Because if you were right 100%, your mouth would be shut.
I'm 100,000%.
Your top lip and your bottom lip would be closed. Would be glued together if you were right. Come on now.
And one of us is sitting in
They
jail
would be
tonight.
glued together. They would be
And one
closed
of
shut.
us is
Why?
going home
Because
tonight.
you're on an ego trip. And that's why you become cops.
I'm gonna be watching TV tonight.
Because you want to talk.
But not
Even when
you.
you're wrong, you want to be right so bad. Go ahead and try to do that. Lord knows and God knows you're wrong. You're so wrong. And he knows you got that badge for wrong reasons. Not to protect nobody but yourself and your ego. Because you're so hurt. You're so fucking hurt that mustache looks like shit and you can't grow a lick of hair on your head. That's why he knows you got a fucking badge.
These are defense mechanisms.
The shoe fucking fits so well. I'm telling you right now. Go ahead, arrest me.
I did.
Yeah,
I
do
did.
that. Do that.
I did exactly
And
that.
are you happy with that? I hope you are. I hope you
am.
throw a party tonight. I hope you
I may.
have sex with your wife so good you create another kid. And that kid comes out to be exactly what you deserve. If they haven't fucking already. Alright? Go ahead and speed, because you can go 40 above, because you fucking can. Yeah, go slow down now. Right? Because I said that. Bullshit ass shit. Fuck out of here.
You're just mad. It's okay though. You'll feel better tonight.
In Jesus' name, you will have what you deserve in God's time. God controls everything, and He knows I got this because of whatever I did. Right or wrong?
That's true. It's wrong.
The sins get what they deserve, right?
That's why you're in handcuffs.
Right. Go ahead and... God knows to choose you, and God knows to choose me at this time. So thank you.
We're a match made in heaven, ain't we?
Because I've had encounters with cops.
Little bump.
And I'm telling you right now, you're one of the...
According to the official case records, Destiny was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, criminal mischief for property damage, and a moving traffic violation. Her bond was set at $5,500, and she was released the following day after posting bond. She later appeared in court with legal representation, entered no contest pleas, and ultimately resolved the case by accepting a pretrial diversion program. A traffic stop that began with excessive speed ended with felony charges, showing how quickly a routine roadside encounter can escalate when lawful commands are repeatedly ignored.